Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you will watch an Talkie learning session where you can improve your spoken English skills. Stay till the end and learn something new. How are you?
I'm doing well. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty well. Everything is going flawlessly. Thank you so much for asking.
Oh, that's incredible.
Long
I
time
think
no
I'm
see.
meeting you after such a long time, right?
It's been 2 months, 2, 3 months, yes.
Okay. So I was asking how's your journey going, being a content creator, something like that. I can remember like you post content and all, something like that, right?
Yes, yes, but now I took a long break, around 3 months from YouTube. Actually, I was busy with some chores. Actually, I have started my offline English academy, so I was busy with that.
So you don't get time to upload videos and all that kind of stuff, right?
No, 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 but I'm going to resume my channel.
I guess because when it comes to YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, these kind of platforms, so consistency plays an eminent role and you have to be very active. The moment you're gonna take a gaps accordingly, what I have personally uh, felt that you need to begin again, right? Because
Mhm.
connection matters a lot with the audience, right?
Yes, yes, that's absolutely true. But sometimes, we keep doing the same thing and we get bored. And so I was feeling really monotonous. So I thought, let's take a break. Now I am feeling rejuvenating and full of beans. I think I will do better now.
Yes, even if we are gonna do the same thing, so we feel exhausted by doing the same thing every day, making videos and having a conversation and researching what I need to uh, include in our today's video, something like that. So it's kind of same work. So somehow we also get bored with the same thing, right? So it's good to
Yeah,
rejuvenate
that's
yourself and do something new. Yes,
yes, yes. Taking break is must.
absolutely.
Hmm.
So, do you want to discuss today's topic or you just want to have a conversation in general? I think today we have an interesting topic,
Okay, what is topic name?
celebrities.
Yes, we can go with it.
Okay, so let's begin with the first question. So, I would love to know who is your favorite celebrity and why do you admire them? Yes.
Mm, I don't have such a favorite celebrity, but I like Priyanka Chopra. I like her journey, the way she has transcended from Bollywood to Hollywood. So I truly admire her.
Okay, so I do you know like I met a lot of people till now, and whenever I ask this question, who is your favorite celebrity? So most of the girls they give the same answer, Priyanka Chopra. I think she's an inspiration for many women and many girls, right?
Yes, the reason is the way she speaks, it's so impeccable. She's so confident. She always tried to inspire others just by her journey. I have seen her like she's not only a mother, but she also a entrepreneur, brand ambassador. She has her own brands, and she is. Author, she is into Bollywood, Hollywood, singer. So she is doing lots of things. So that is truly admiring. She is so iconic, I would say. And she has got a title Miss World at the age of 18. It is not easy.
Yeah, definitely. Even if somebody wants
Mm.
to improve their English, so they can go through her speeches, interviews, and so on. So they can also learn something new at the same time. The moment you're
Mm.
gonna listen to her interviews, you will learn
Mm.
a lot of things. And I do consider her as a motivational speaker as well. She can inspire you, and she has a great influence, by the way, right?
Mhm.
The moment you're gonna listen to her, you will realize that.
Yes, yes, true, true. She is a role model for me. Yeah.
Okay. So, what do you
Mm.
think nowadays? You have seen many celebrities on social media as well, different celebrities, right? Now, I'm not only talking about actors or actresses, it could be anyone. So do you think sometimes celebrities they influence society negatively as well?
I didn't get your question. Yes. How do they impact on the society? Negatively
Yes. Do
impact
you
on the
think
society.
sometimes celebrities influence society
Okay.
negatively? Yes.
Uh, yes, sometimes it happens because sometimes they advertise those products that doesn't make any sense. Like if you want to become fair, then you should use Fair and Lovely. But I don't think in real life it works. So and people get influenced easily. They try to buy those products, and there is also advertisement of a tobacco, right? It was done by Akshay Kumar.
Yes.
Yes, yes. So that is, Akshay Kumar influenced lots of people. So I think they should not do this kind of advertisement that truly affects a person's health.
Absolutely, there are many celebrities who promote different kind of things. So
Hmm.
basically, they are getting paid for that promotional content and whatever the
Hmm.
product that they are promoting. But their fans, their audience, they love them a lot. So whatever they are saying, they follow that
Hmm.
trend or the product very blindly. And when it comes
Yes.
to some actresses and all, they also promote different kind of product, beauty products and all. So somehow this is what something which is gonna spread some unrealistic beauty standards, right? As you
Yes,
have
yes,
mentioned
yes.
about Fair and Lovely or something, right?
Mhm.
Many
Yes,
celebrities they promote that, right? Yes. So
yes,
we also try that, and we don't get any kind of changes, right?
yes. They are just doing for the sake of money.
Okay. As far as I
Hmm.
know that you are a YouTuber and you create the content as well. So tell me, would you like to become a celebrity? Why or why not?
No, I don't want to become a big celebrity because I think they don't have like much privacy and personal life. They have to keep their bodyguards whenever they step out of their house. So I don't like this kind of life, right? You are always in the public eye and always in the media spotlight. So I can't bear it.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yes,
Yeah, that is true.
yes.
Because
Like if you
when you
want.
are kind of very
Mhm.
famous person,
Mhm.
everybody is gonna follow you. Even you are gonna buy something to the nearest
Mhm.
shop, then people will follow you there as well, right? So
Yes,
somehow it is
yes.
going to be extremely difficult to maintain your privacy, right?
Yes, if you have to go out for having pani puri, so you can't go out, right? You have to think many times. So that's why I don't like this. Like,
Yeah, somehow I feel that like you cannot live freely, right?
yes, you
Everywhere
cannot
cameras
live.
are gonna follow you, right?
Yes, you cannot live like a bird, free bird.
Yes,
Yes, you all always need to get ready. So I can't put on makeup every time and all that. Yeah.
absolutely. So my last question here I'm gonna pose, as you have mentioned that your favorite celebrity is Priyanka Chopra. Suppose you
Mhm.
meet Priyanka Chopra on at an airport, okay? Suppose, okay, all right. So, what would you do the moment you're gonna meet your favorite celebrity?
Mhm. Okay, if I could meet Priyanka Chopra, I would ask lots of questions to her. I would ask I want to ask about her journey, how she had. I want to ask about her transition from Bollywood to Hollywood, and she has faced lots of difficulties and criticism in her life. So how she faced that, because it is not difficult to get over that phase. It takes a lot of time, and she was bullied by her classmates and people just for the skin color, and she handled it gracefully. So how anyone can do that? So I have lots of questions for her, and one thing I would like about her adaptability, how she adapt the things easily, environment and all things. So yeah, I have a lot of questions for her. Like she won the title of Miss World at the age of 18. So was she already prepared for that, or it was just a breakthrough for her? This question I will ask.
Okay, that's really an incredible thing. For me, if I
Mhm.
get an opportunity to meet any celebrity at an airport or something, so firstly, what's something that I can do? I can just greet them and
Mhm.
I can ask them for a photograph, right? This is what something which we do, right? You have seen many
Yeah.
people like whenever they see any celebrity anywhere on the road or at an airport or something. So firstly, we ask for the selfie. Nowadays, we don't ask for
Yes.
autograph or something. Now we ask for
Yes.
photograph, right?
Selfie. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. That's true. Yeah.
What's something
Uh,
that I do as we are meeting the person uh, at any place, so we can respect their personal space. This is what something which is very important because sometimes people they start bombarding a lot of questions and they don't leave the celebrity sometimes. So we should respect their privacy and we should
yeah.
respect their personal space. And what's something that I can do?
Hmm.
If I can have one selfie with them, then I will thank them and I will say thank you for inspiring us and becoming an inspiration for millions of people, right? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
This is what
Yes.
something that I can do. Yeah.
So, who is your favorite Bollywood actor?
Bollywood actor, specifically, I don't have any favorite Bollywood actor, but sometimes if I'm going through, as you have mentioned, Miss World or something, so I go through the interviews of those Miss World and all these pageant winners. So I really admire their speech. And Bollywood specifically, I don't have any favorite celebrity, seriously.
Okay. Yes, yes. And have you ever met any celebrity in your real life?
No, I haven't met any celebrity in my real life.
Okay. I once met Diler Mehendi. Actually, I was living in Gurugram. At that time, I visited Ambience Mall. So, Diler Mehendi was on the ground floor. I was on the first floor. So, I was just watching, my husband and I watching him at first floor. I didn't go downstairs because Diler Mehendi was crowded by lots, surrounded by lots of people and people who were asking for autographs and pictures, so that's why I didn't go there. But it
I
was an
didn't
exciting experience for me because I have seen celebrity in my real life first time.
I can tell you an experience. I was working with another application, so where I was hosting an event. So there,
Mhm.
like not Indian celebrity, she was Chinese Miss World winner. Okay, all right.
Mhm.
So she
Mhm.
joined that event, and I was the host of that event. So I was hosting that event. So at that time, I just had a conversation with that Chinese Miss World winner. Yes.
Wow, that's nice. So, what questions did you ask her?
I just asked some sort of questions related to English as I was conducting the session. I was working there as a language trainer. So I asked her, what do you think how language can be learned through fashion as she was a super fashion model at the same time,
Mhm.
Chinese uh, uh, Miss World winner. Yes. So I asked some
Mhm.
sort of question that were connected to English and connected to her journey. How did she learn? How she became famous and so on. And she's
Mhm.
quite famous on Instagram as well. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So, how did you feel? Were you feeling nervous or confident at that time?
Actually, I have hosted several events, so I was not feeling nervous. I was quite confident. Yes.
Hmm.
And it was the
That's.
first opportunity that I got to host that
Mhm.
event. And till
Mhm.
now, I have hosted more than 30 to 40 events, global events. So I think it's a great opportunity meeting different people all around the world, not only from India, but we can also meet some amazing personalities from different countries. Yes.
Okay, that's nice. So if I get a chance to meet any celebrity, so what type of question should I ask?
I think before asking question, we should go through their profile, like their journey and so on.
Mhm.
So what
Because
something,
we already know about their journey, right? So it's not a interesting question. And I think they feel bored asking the same, giving the same answers every time.
I think we can, whatever the theme that you have planned for the event, right? So
Mhm.
according to the theme, you can ask questions, right? Suppose everybody asks their journey and all, okay?
Yes.
So sometimes even these celebrities, they give their speech and all. So in the beginning, they were not able to speak that much good. So how they have made those changes in their personality, their
Mhm.
communication and so on. So I asked these kind of questions because the theme was about learning English through fashion. Yes, as she was the fashion model, and I asked some other questions as well, if uh, like uh, if somebody wants to become a fashion model, so what advice would you like to give them, something like that. These kind of questions I just asked.
Yes, yes, that's an interesting question. Yeah,
Yes,
it is realistic and pragmatic.
absolutely. So thank you so much for having this wonderful conversation, and I hope you're gonna meet your favorite celebrity in future. So thank you so much. I really enjoyed this conversation, and it was really an interesting conversation, I would say. So, see you in the upcoming session, and we can have a fruitful discussion on a different topic. Thank you. Take care.
Yes. Yes, thank you so much, sir. But I have a question for you. You didn't give me my corrections.
Sorry.
You didn't give me my corrections. Like sometimes I make mistakes. You didn't correct me. But next time you can correct my mistakes. Okay. Now we are running out of time.
Okay, all right, sure. But you're
Okay.
speaking really well. I can mention some sort of things. Okay,
Hmm.
all right. Basically, you are capable enough to speak spontaneously, right?
Hmm.
Do you know
Hmm.
one thing? I want to say one thing. Whenever I see any concept, so I just deep dive into the conversation. I just immerse myself in that, and
Hmm.
I don't even look at the timer. Seriously, the moment the
Hmm.
conversation is going to be extremely interesting. So
Hmm.
next time I'll be sharing things, and you can also bring some interesting questions. So we can discuss that as well if you're getting through any kind of problem or something that is causing any kind of difficulty. Okay, will that be okay for
Oh,
you?
yes. So in next class, I will take your interview. Like you are a celebrity, I will try to ask questions. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Have a nice
Bye.
day.
Take care.